থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। এখন আপনারা এখানেই থাকুন। University of Bell, please big hands. আমাদের বাংলাদেশের জাতীয় পতাকা এটি উত্তোলন করে hands please. এখন আমাদের ঘোষণা করছেন। আপনারা সামনে আসবেন।
সামনে নিয়ে আসো।
এনি জিলানি এরপরে আসবেন। তার আগে আমি লিটল বাংলাদেশ সং করার জন্য
আমাদের চিফের
রফিক ভাই
হবে না আপনাদের সম্বন্ধে আমাদের দেশের রক্ষা করা উচিত।
পৃথিবী থাকে তার বুকে লেটে বাংলাদেশ ভালোবাসি তোমায় লস অ্যাঞ্জেলেস ভালোবাসি লেটে বাংলাদেশ বাংলাদেশ লেটে বাংলাদেশ বাংলাদেশ লেটে বাংলাদেশ ভালোবাসি তোমায় লস অ্যাঞ্জেলেস
I love you, Los Angeles.
ভালোবাসি লেটে বাংলাদেশ
I love little Bangladesh.
বাংলাদেশ আমার বাংলাদেশ বাংলাদেশ লিটল বাংলাদেশ বাংলাদেশ লিটল বাংলাদেশ বাংলাদেশ লিটল বাংলাদেশ
As long as this world will exist, in the middle of this little Bangladesh.
ভালোবাসি তোমায় লস অ্যাঞ্জেলেস ভালোবাসি তোমায় বাংলাদেশ বাংলাদেশ আমার বাংলাদেশ বাংলাদেশ বাংলাদেশ
বাংলাদেশ বাংলাদেশ
বাংলাদেশ
To Annie Jelani, our superstar.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for this honor. I really,
Thank you.
it's really important to me. Thank you.
To Annie Jelani, our superstar.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for this honor. I really,
Thank you.
it's really important to me. Thank you.
Okay, one more.
Thank you guys. Our program will start
stand here,
now.
Nipa, stand
Tariq will hand it.
Okay.
আমাদের আজকে আসলে এই অনুষ্ঠানটি অলঙ্কৃত করেছেন আমাদের ডেপুটি
আমি ইংলিশে বলবো বিকজ আমাদের মেয়র তো উনি বাইরে প্রিভিলেজ টু ওয়েলকাম দি মেয়র Ali Saleh, City of Bell. He's the first Muslim mayor, and as you all know that it was a very troubled city, and as soon as I told him that to come and enjoy the 40th anniversary of Bangladesh, he had cancelled his other program and he came over.
It is my great honor and pleasure to be amongst you today for the 40th year celebration parade for Bangladesh. Bangladesh got its independence through a bloody 9-month independence freedom fight from Pakistan on December 16, 1971. Millions of innocent men, women, and children achieved. I salute all the valiant Bangladeshi freedom fighters who gave their life to have a free and independent country called Bangladesh. Perseverance is a role model to other communities. I understand you're rich and share the challenges you undergo in this great country of ours we call our homeland, the United States of America. We share the common background and culture and heritage. Let us all work to make America stronger and beautiful for all of us and to our future generations. As a mayor of the most talked about and historic city of Bell, I am leading the charge by the grace of God to implement the best ethical practices, transparency, and fiscal reforms in the city of Bell. I am proving by my leadership and action how I can, through courage, tenacity, and smart planning, can lead to the reform of even the most corrupt administration. I am planning by the grace of God to run for the California State Assembly in 2012. I believe through good governance, which not only include ethical reforms, protecting California state laws, protecting families from unfair fee hikes in water, utility, property taxes, and sewage fees. I am confident that I can do my duty to serve the people. Moreover, I am very delightful to learn that between Alexandra and New Hampshire, on Third Street is now officially Little Bangladesh. Please accept my heartiest congratulations for this great achievement. I wish you all good luck and congratulations on celebrating the 40th annual Bangladesh Independence Day. Thanks.